My name is Tiffany Bonita. I am a clinical manager at Memorial Hermann Northeast in Humble, Texas.
All right, we're going to ask you a couple questions. Welcome to the Barco Couch Confessional. What do you think is the hardest part of your job?
Oh my goodness. I think the hardest part of my job is making sure that people don't forget to look after staff. I think it's so easy for us to focus, especially in leadership, we tend to focus on patients, but I truly believe that if we are taking good care of our staff, then our staff are going to automatically take care of our patients, right? So as leaders, we don't need to really worry about our patients. We need to worry about our staff and make sure that they are well taken care of.
Yes, here for that. Okay, what is your favorite guilty pleasure?
The Real Housewives.
Oh, yes. Done.